on the 4th of June. And earlier on the 27th May, the Prime Minister held telephone call with the Crown Prince of Kuwait, Sheikh Khalid Al Sabah. And earlier he had spoken with the Prime Minister of Malaysia, His Excellency Dr. Anwar Ibrahim. So this was part of our efforts for regional peace, security, overall regional development, and there was certainly some bilateral content into these telephone conversations that were held by the Prime Minister. Another important development, ladies and gentlemen, this week was the visit of European Union's High Representative for Foreign Affairs and Security Policy and the Vice President of the European Commission, Ms. Kaya Kalas, to Pakistan on the 1st of June. During the visit, the DPM Foreign Minister and the European High Representative co-chaired the 8th session of the Pak-EU Strategic Dialogue. The dialogue is the highest level platform for structured discussions between the two sides. During the visit, the EU High Representative also called on the senior leadership, including the President, the Prime Minister, and the Chief of Army Staff and the Chief of Defense Forces. The visit underscored the sustained momentum of high-level political exchange between Pakistan and the EU and reflected a shared commitment to further strengthen Pakistan-EU partnership. A Pakistan-EU joint statement was also issued, which you covered extensively. Finally, ladies and gentlemen, this week you must have seen that the 8 foreign ministers from the group of 8 countries, that is Pakistan, Egypt, Turkey, Indonesia, UAE, Saudi Arabia, Qatar and Jordan, issued a joint statement that strongly condemned the continued incursion by extremist Israeli settlers into Al-Aqsa Mosque, Al-Haram al-Sharif and other measures by Israeli forces aimed at undermining the sanctity and status of the Islamic and Christian holy sites in the occupied Palestine. The group of foreign ministers further denounced Israel's ongoing measures aimed at altering the historical, legal and demographic character of occupied East Jerusalem. They reaffirmed their rejection of any attempt to change the status quo while recognizing the special role of the Hashemite custodianship and Jordan's authority over administration of Al-Aqsa Mosque, Al-Haram al-Sharif. The ministers called on Israel to immediately cease all illegal and provocative actions, warning that continued violations risk escalating tensions, instability and extremism. They also reaffirmed their steadfast support for the Palestinian people, including their right to self-determination and the establishment of an independent sovereign state of Palestine with Jerusalem as its capital in accordance with international law and the two-state solution. So this, ladies and gentlemen, concludes my opening statement, and I'll open the floor for question answers. जी पराशा साहब.
Thank you so much, Excellency. I have a couple of questions, but I will restrict to only one at the moment. You might have read India offering a bid for transfer of water from